what? Water suddenly solidified in the form of pillow. जैसे ही मैग्मा निकला, पानी मिला, solidified, it becomes an look like what is in a pillow. This is an earthquake prone. Yes. And then I said that therefore we can say that this region is what? Younger and having an what? Active. And this is again supporting seafloor spreading. So a part of it, एक line लिख लेंगे, a part of it active mid-oceanic ridge presence of light system and pillow, Pillow, pillow type of solidified lava helped Harry Hess and his team to prove that sea floor is spreading. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्टिव है और एक्टिव जोन हमेशा ही बोलेगा कि मैं आ रहा हूं, जा रहा हूं, and that is happening all the points. Next point that we have to see, like polar wandering. I said, and आप लोग क्या क्या देखा आपने? पैलियोमैग्नेटिज्म, magnetic anomaly, age of the rock, yes, and inclination. Now the angle of inclination of alignment of the dipoles, उस समय जो solidified हुआ, what is the angle at that time? Yes, I said, as we said that around 200 million years ago, Durban is at what? South Pole. Durban कहाँ पे है? Yes, tell me. अभी कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट में हमने क्या देखा था? डरबन इज एट साउथ पोल एंड डरबन कहां पे? इट इज इन साउथ अफ्रीका. यस, एंड दिस इज एन इक्वेटर एंड वी नो दैट द इंडिया इज ऑल्सो नियर बाय दिस. इंडियन गोंडवाना प्लेट. And over the period, Indian Gondwana plate has come over here. Indian Gondwana plate. And it is near, I said that 46 degree latitude. कहाँ पर है? था पहले ये. Where is the Indian Gondwana plate? 46 degree latitude, and it reached near, I said that 20 degree. It is in a 46 degree south latitude, and here it is in a 20 degree north latitude in the present time. Understood? And then another point I said, Durban is in a south pole. Around 200 million years ago, Durban is कहां पे था? Just tell me. At the South Pole. तो इस समय डरबन के पास कैसा होगा? Alignment of the rocks. Magnetic alignment of the rocks will be what is it? 90 degree. और उस समय magnetized and then solidified हुआ होगा तो 90 degree शो कर रहा होगा. Yes or not? और वो कभी चेंज होगा क्या? नहीं, that will be fixed. It has been fixed. And over the period and along with the different magnetic steps, it moves and it reached I said that 90 degrees say it is able to reach 35 degree. How much? How much? And at the same time, North America is also able to reach. तो यहां पर नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड एट द सेम टाइम एंड हियर वी हैव एन साउथ अमेरिका. listen here, and then here it is. So so they will be, must be near, and their polarity, then polar region along with the दो चीजें हो सकती हैं, either pole is shifting, either continent is shifting. Yes or not? Either pole is shifting or दो चीजें हो सकती हैं. If the pole is shifting, यदि मैं बोला कि north pole becomes south pole like this, लेकिन इसको होने में कुछ ही समय लगता है. So we can't say that how many years it takes the polarity to get reversed. तो यदि polarity को मैं बोलूंगा shift कर रहा है, तो it cannot be possible. Polarity is shifting like this. Then because the changing the polarity took in what is in how many years? 2.5 lakh years. So simply what we have seen, क्या क्या मैंने बोला first point? Paleomagnetism, magnetic anomaly, age of the rock, and inclination of magnetized molecule. Inclination of when the continents are near, I said that south pole, thereafter it has been seen that the pole is what? Wandering. Pole is wandering and reach to the North America, pole is wandering to reach to the South America, pole is wandering and reach to the Durban. और लेकिन all poles are showing nearby, वहां पे pole का थोड़ा होगा ना 80 degree 90 degree nearby pole, everyone has some kind of inclination and that has been fixed, but everyone is what, just tell me, different polar wandering. Every North America जो near to the poles, South America near to the poles, North America completely नहीं था, everyone is near to the poles like Pangea, but when they started moving, their polar wandering path is different. But when we started combining them, it looks like they have started from the same point and thereafter they have taken the different position as per the continental drift and age of the rock, paleomagnetism and magnetic anomaly के साथ और magnetic inclination ने ये सारा क्या प्रूफ कर दिया. कंप्लीटली डेप्थ में नहीं जाएंगे, लेकिन आपको समझ में आने लगा होगा. आई सेड दैट लीड टू द हेल्प इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट एज वेल एज सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग. अंडरस्टूड? एंड अल्टीमेटली इट हेल्प इन द प्लेट टेक्टोनिक कंसेप्ट. अंडरस्टूड इट? अंडरस्टूड? एंड इंडिया, अभी भी आप इंडिया को भी देखोगे 46 से 20 कितना डिग्री मूव किया? 66 डिग्री अराउंड और 65, एंड ये भी आप 90 से कितना दिख रहे हो? 90 to 35 और सॉरी 30 अराउंड 60 डिग्री. सो ऑल हैव मूव्ड इन द लास्ट 200 million years. Continent has moved through how many latitudes? 60 degree latitude during their polar wandering. Understood? They have a different path, but we combine together, they look like they have been originated. यदि मैं ऐसे जोड़ूं तो ये लगेगा एक साथ, ये इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ. You know that jigsaw fit we have seen. It looks like that they have a same path earlier and thereafter during the drift मैग्मा आने लगा, उसके साथ हम लोगों ने प्राप्त अब पहले तो ये सेम ऐसे मूव किए थे, thereafter drifting like this. पहला क्या बना था आपको ही पता है. फर्स्ट इन द कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट लॉरेशिया एंड गोंडवाना. So at that time they have same magnetic movement, polar movement, and after that the Gondwana has been drifted, and thereafter who has been drifted? Laurentia has been drifted in the continental drift I taught you. Understood? So polar wandering. Write down. With the help of paleomagnetism, magnetic anomalies, age of the rock, and magnetic inclination of molecule at the time of magnetization at different latitudes helped us to know that around 200 million years ago, as per the Alfred Wegener, Pangaea as a supercontinent was existing near South Pole thereafter they started drifting. During the drift, magnetized aligned molecules which are near to the poles around 200 million years ago in the different continent is showing different polar wandering path and they have been drifted to around 60-degree latitude since last 200 million years. Ultimately, different path of polar wandering can be combined together and can be combined together if their drift has been shown in chronological order. जस्ट एक ये डिफरेंट ड्रिफ्ट है, पोलरिटी का जस्ट एक आइडिया है कि ये पोलरिटी डिफरेंट है. और यू नो दैट दिस कॉन्टिनेंट्स वेयर अर्लियर आई सेड दैट यदि देखा जाए, यदि वो ड्रिफ्ट हो रहे थे और ये सब साथ में आया जाए तो इट लुक्स लाइक दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट. यदि वो ड्रिफ्ट को दोबारा क्रोनोलॉजिकली ऑर्डर में शिफ्ट करूं, दे आर टुगेदर, इट लुक्स लाइक they have in a same drift. Understood? So ultimately they have in a same path but looking like different path due to the divergence. लेकिन हम लोगों ने इसको कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज कर सके? How we are able to organize? With the help of paleomagnetism, with the help of magnetic anomaly, age of the rock, and then at that time magnetic inclination of the molecules with the dipole. तो उस समय के अनुसार से वी आर एबल टू, एंड प्रेजेंट लैटिट्यूड्स वी हैव बीन एबल टू फाइंड आउट. यस, दिस इज द थिंग. क्लियर है? So divergence we have seen, and this is a kind of divergence, and